nagetio kinene njitikiria ngoro ngikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV Gikunjuro kia mohoro ari ne tariki 6 mweri wa 3 mwaka wa 2024 tutigetie thiko nini tutugokro tukigira thiko ya kugwira muthi wa atumia guku thingi magakihoka ati no wagitinda oro wega na thiko yaku ni agikwagirira ni ndoka niguo ngumenyithia uria bururi wa gitinda ukigariura riboti kuma county itiganite guku bururi wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma nja itoka cia bururi tuikorokia go nginya riboti cia mathako ni maige maria tugikuharireirie gikunjuro-ini giki gitu kia mohoro wona wetikira gutwarana na ithwe rana ithweririkana ati mohoro maya maito turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nende-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathie kuria mwena wa Facebook ugutukora @Muthingi TV, YouTube nakuo ni @Muthingi TV na ni miaraho ino ngikarira gitiki kia umemerekia igo ciothe njitikaga wa irimu wa Kimani na riu tukiambiriria ni ati aruti wera Kiganda-ini kia Ngasi guku ni gicagi-ini kia Shauri Moyo county ya Kilifi maya kurwo ni mawira mao thutha wa thirikari ya county ino gukorwo ikihinga kaimana o ni thutha wa mugururio uria gwikorekwo kuoya guthurima kana itwiriro ici cia ngasi ni ikinyanirie ikiro iria cierikanite cia IPRA. Kiganda giki kirerikana gukorwo gigitwarithio ni andu 50 kuma bururi wa India uria ni mugaro na bururi kana watho wa guku bururi-ini wa Kenya. Ni report
control we don't have any access of it. Yeah.
Masana mengi pia alafu pesa nyimbo tupata kidogo sana ni mambo
beo iria cikinyanire hari gitaro kia Africa.
Jaribu employ technologies ambazo zinaleta mbegu ambazo tunaziita kimombo climate smart varieties. Climate smart varieties ni mbegu ambazo zimefanyiwa utafiti ili zinaweza fanya ama pia kuna zingine zinaweza fanya vizuri hata kama kuna mvua nyingi. Sasa lazima tunaangalia hiyo ili wakulima waweze kupatiwa varieties ambazo ni climate smart. Kama kuna mtu anahusika na mambo ya fake seed in this country, that is enemy number 1 of our Kenyan farmers, and we are encouraging the government to work together with us so that we stamp out this thing of fake seed, kwa sababu ukiweka fake seed inamaanisha yields zitakuwa chini na pia kutakuwa na food insecurity. Tumekuwa tukiongea na serikali kuhusu mambo ya land subdivision ili waweze kutenga sehemu kadhaa ili ikuwe ni sehemu maalum ya kuzalisha tu mbegu. Leni tutakuwa na uwezekano ya kwamba tutafanya kazi na serikali ili hiyo gharama ya kuzalisha mbegu ikuwe inarudi chini.
It means in a country like South Sudan, 90% of farmers are very likely exposed to the threat of climate change, even before the seed is sown. And yet advancements in science mean we can now develop climate-resilient crop varieties. But to make this innovation successful, we need collective action.
Haya, na tugithie na mbere ni ati aciari guothe bururi-ini ni moretio gukorwo magithomithia ciana ciao iria iri na ukuru munini gukorwo ririkana hari guthaitira maria maturigiceirie na kumarumbuya. O ni kurumirira kio gia thukuru wa muthingi wa PCA Grubaine na uria wanjiririe mitaratara ya guthomithania arutwo aya uhoro wegi guthaitira maria maturigiceirie na njira ya kuhandaga miti. O ni kuringana na mwarimu munene wa ugete ati ni maranyita itemi hari gutigirira ati mubango wa thirikari wa kuhanda makiria ma miti bilioni 15 ni wagikinyirika kuhuthira wirutiri uyu wa ciana cia ukuru wa miaka minini.
Mwana uyu ni endete maundu ma miti, ni athiaga agetha nyina aruga cai maratathi macio ni oyaga akamaiga nigetha mwisho-ini akamatumira gwikira nasari ya miti, na idea yake ni ahande miti asaidie Ruto ahadi yake ya miti bilioni 15.
Na in this niturauga mkono our president Dr. William Ruto hari project ya kuhanda the 15 billion trees, na so far tutashukuru na shukuru ni tuhotete kuhanda miti 1,000 na no turathi na mbere na kuhanda no muthe no tuhandite miti na no turauga no tuguthie na mbere na guteithiriria thirikari niguo tuhote ku reduce the global warming in our country.
Natumia makaratasi ya maziwa tukipanda nasari kwa corridor, na sisi hata ni jirani kina Vincent ni Vincent alikuwa anatuita, tunakuja tunaona vile anapanda miti, na hata pia Vincent ni alitufunza kupanda miti na akatuambia tupande miti ili tupate hewa safi, na hata pia akatuambia Wakenya wakipanda miti watapata pesa kutoka kwa carbon credit fund.
Adwa news mekirire muno uhandi wa miti na news handu hao muthenya gukoragwo ni maundu ma andu makuire, andu ni manyuire njohi makua, arenda onage news ciana ikihanda nigetha miti ihandwo.
Riu tuingira kuria kaunti ya Kajiado, na kuria thirikari ya kaunti ya guku Kajiado ni ugite ati ni haririirie kuoya uramati wa runyanjara rwa Amboseli, na kuria gavana wa guku Joseph Kaunti Olelenku neranirie ati ni mambikite mitaratara mirumu iria ikugacirithia ucenjania uyu wa uramati wa runyanjara ruru rwa Amboseli.
On transfer of Amboseli National Park to the county government, will find very, very important information and also a complete document. Together, the views of the other players to make sure that there are no gaps. We are borrowing heavily from the Amboseli National Park Management Plan, the Amboseli Ecosystem Management Plan, which were guided. It was a masterstroke for the president to allow that transfer with the condition that the local communities around Amboseli will create bigger spaces, bigger dispersal areas, open wildlife corridors, because the park was going to choke in a very short time when the migratory corridors are closed. Amboseli is going to be the only national park that has its migratory paths fully secured. As you are aware, Amboseli connect with the Kilimanjaro.
Na riboti iyo niyo iragitweka mwikiga gwikirie ndugathi haraya ni turacokerania na mangi maingi.
Tere, mambo ni mawili, kufikisha, kumwaga na kurudi. Kulala ni mwaka mpya.
Wewe kwani wani vile dereva anaendesha gari vibaya, lazima tususe. Anaendesha gari na kwa simu the whole time, hata angalia barabara. Hautatuangamiza tukiona.
Naomba msamaha, nitampeleka vizuri.
Si wameomba msamaha. Sasa tuende tusafiri kwa mwendo wa aste.
Dere Smart hufikisha abiria salama. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwako na NTSA kwa ushirikiano na European Union.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya
Uri murimi munini na ni uravatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro. Ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ, amu Muthingi TV nĩ irakuhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tuhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 07 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe, amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
state-of-the-art laboratories to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@oun.
Twagicokereria na rĩu tũkũingĩra na riboti ya kũrĩa mwena wa Isiolo kũrĩa gĩkundi kĩrĩa kĩrũmbũyagia ihoto cia ciana kũu kaunti ya Isiolo nĩ kĩambĩkĩte mĩtaratara na mũngũrũro wa gũtigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ matiga ũhahami wa ciana gũkũ mwena wa Isiolo. Marĩtie ũguo rĩrĩa mauma kaunti
Tuko Isiolo siku ya leo kwa launch ya the FGM Survivors Network ambao ni kuhamasisha kina mama ambao walipitia ukeketaji kuweza kupambana na tohara ya wasichana. Hamasisho yetu ya mwaka huu ambao ina assist in survivor led movement to end FGM. Tunataka
tukasema ni sawa tu, wacha tuambie Mungu ili tufanyikia, lakini sisi hatutafanyia wasichana wetu. So tulipoanza hii safari, mimi nikasema kweli tuko na sheria, tuko na community dialogues, tuko na kila kitu in place. Lakini wamama, ni kina nani wanatahiri watoto? Wamama. Ni kina nani? Si wamama? Na tukitaka kuikomesha, si tutaikomesha.
Nayo kambuni ya utabia wa thitima ya Kenya Power guku bururi-ini ni tetete ni undu wa andu gukorwo magitimia miti matamenyithetie kambuni ino undu uria ucungiirie hathara ya makiria ma ciringi milioni 220. O ni kuringana na murugamiriri wa Kenya Power Mutugi Mbae uria ukwaragia na andiki a mohoro ari mwena wa Mwea, na kuri augite ati na megukorwo makioya makinya kuri aikari aria maratabania ngero ici.
Kirinyaga in particular, we have the challenge of, or rather the region, and in particular we have the Mount Kenya region is highly forested area, and we have had instances whereby people cut trees near power lines, people prune trees, they harvest their trees without informing us to assist them by way of disconnecting those lines so that they can do it safely. We have done a number of sensitization forums in church, in FM stations, in social media, as well as in our forums. And what we are saying is electricity is a very good servant but a very bad master. It has no color, no smell. So when you want to do your pruning or your harvesting, please talk to us to assist you so that you do it safely. Illegal connections is still a challenge, but as we said, one of the things we have done here is to complete the connection of customers who have already made the payments to us. We have done a number of arrests. Right now, we have 17 ongoing cases within Kirinyaga, court cases, that we hope will act as a deterrence. This current financial year is spending more than 220 million. To ensure that network is in the good condition, replacement of many rotten poles, working on the trace, doing projects to improve what we call reliability and the redundancy of the network, among other projects, so that our customers within this county and the region at large can have reliable power for businesses, for personal use, manufacturing, as well as security in terms of public lighting.
Nake mwikariri giti sekta-ini ya IETT Mr. Nderi Tumutero ni ugite ati ni hari bata bururi wa Kenya gukorwo ukiongerera macukuru ma guthomithania kothi cia moko ni gutigirira ati mbeũ njithi ni mona mawira guku bururi-ini wa Kenya, oroho gutigirira ati thoko ya mawira bururi nduka.
Intention is to have IET, ETK and IEK work together for the common, for the wealth of the technologists, technicians, craftsmen and artisans over here who are qualified and with all the skills that are necessary for nation building. We will want to see the government and the people of Kenya emphasize more on STEM. That is the heart of an economy. So as it stands right now, we want to tell the government that we are now in a position where we can construct our roads, our power plants, our water irrigation projects with minimum input from foreign countries.
With the skills and career development, to give also the youth and also to increase the capacity of our youths who are not employment.
Murari witũ ho niho ngũkorwo ngĩtirihĩra gĩkũnjũ gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya makĩria nĩ we gwĩtĩkĩra gũtwara na ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjũro gĩkĩ nginya rĩu. Ngatho cia mwanya kũrĩ arĩa twagĩkĩnyitanĩra nao nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria, arĩa magĩkorwo magĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri ciao kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook. Njokeria ngatho arĩa othe twanyitanĩra nao gũkũ mwena wa studio, andĩki aitũ a mohoro hamwe na producer akwa. Ndĩmacokerie ngatho nĩ gũtigĩrĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ makorwo magĩgũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩkĩte. Nĩ ngũgũtigĩra hau njĩtĩkaga wa Irimũ wa Kĩmani ngakwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega.